from the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 9. What is this, ma'am?
Please, Your Lordship. This present with petition is filed for issuance of claims court in respect of the petitioner and henceforth release the monthly salary of the petitioner from 2011-2023 up to date, and further direct the AG Nagaland to activate the petitioner's DBF account and allow her to withdraw her early savings.
Why her GPF account has been locked?
Yes, Lordship.
Why? Is she serving now? He or she? She. Serving? When has she been serving? Since when? Since when has this petitioner been serving?
2003.
2003.
Yes, Lordship.
And she still hasn't got her PIMS code.
Yes, Lordship.
Sorry. So her salary is paid up to October 2023.
No, Lordship, actually, to the other surprise of the petitioner, the department issued a publication to the local.
No, that's why here you are seeking for salary with effect from November 2023. Impliedly, it means she has not been paid. She has been paid salary up to October 2023. Is it so? See your second prayer. Her salary with effect from November 2023. So it means she has been paid salary up to October 2023. Is it so?
No, Lordship, para 7 in my petition.
No, your prayer.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, just see. Prayer 2.
Yes, Lordship.
Has she been paid salary up to October 2023? To me, it seems like, as per your prayer. Heard MS so and so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner is presently serving as primary teacher
Yes, Lordship.
within bracket PT at GPS Mangalaptan. Mangalaptan. Correct? Mangalaptan. Mamatung in the district of Mukokchung, Nagaland. Stop. The present petition has been filed, seeking for a direction to the state government to issue the PIMS code in respect of the petitioner, and also for a direction to pay the salary of the petitioner with effect from November 2023. Stop. Issue notice. To the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks.
Your Lordship, AG is also.
Oh, that let it come afterwards. Let it come first. Let you take steps. Let us see.
So I'll be representing only 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4, and 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. MS Inaoli, Lieutenant Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. The Lieutenant Counsel for the petitioner shall, however, serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the Lieutenant Government Advocate when? Within a period of 3 days from today. Insofar as respondent number 5 is concerned, the Lieutenant Counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days.
3 days. Okay.
For motion, item number 10.
No, please, my lord.
Yes, what is this?
My lord, the petitioner hearing is challenging the dismissal order
Hmm.
passed by the disciplinary authority. Passed under Rule 7, subclause 9 of the Nagaland Services Discipline and Appeal Rules 1967.
What is the reason for your dismissal?
My lord, show cause notice was issued to the petitioner for alleged substance abuse, lordship. He was serving as a constable, lordship,
Okay.
in the Department of Police, lordship.
Is he a fit person to be in the police service?
Lordship,
Is he a fit person to be in the police service? A
Lordship.
drug addict?
lordship, it was an alleged
No,
abuse, substance abuse,
the
lordship.
higher ups in the police department will just not make unnecessary allegation that the person is a drug addict.
Yes, lordship, that I understand, but lordship.
Where is your
hearing-
suspension order? Let us see, but the suspension order has got nothing to do now. Where's the suspension order?
Suspension order, my lord, is at page 20, lordship.
Page 20.
Yes, lordship. It was served on 3rd of July 2023, lordship. And thereafter, lordship,
Where any inquiry was conducted?
lordship, this is our case, lordship. An inquiry was purported to be conducted, but lordship, no opportunity of reasonable opportunity of being heard was granted to us. Neither any documents were also served to us to enable us to make a substantive written
Had
argument,
Mr.
lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing the present writ petition, the petitioner is impugning the order dated 30/11/2023,
Yes, lordship.
passed by the Superintendent of Police Mokokchung Nagaland, dismissing the petitioner from service with immediate effect. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the petitioner was not afforded any opportunity of hearing, nor was any inquiry conducted before passing the impugned order dated 30/11/2023. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable in 4 weeks' time. MSAIME, the Lieutenant Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents, on behalf of the state respondents. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. The Lieutenant Counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the Lieutenant Government Advocate within,
During the course of the day,
in the
lordship.
course of the day. Okay.
Lordship, before parting, lordship, I have an interim prayer, lordship.
Yes,
There's lordship, at least,
you are dismissed.
you dismiss
You
my
are
service, my lord.
dismissed.
I just want to just make a brief submission, lordship.
Yes.
The inquiry, the proceedings, the disciplinary proceedings were conducted in blatant violation of Rule 9(2), Rule 9(6).
You said no inquiry was conducted?
Lordship, as per the judge sheet, memorandum of judge sheet was issued. Till there, the proceeding seems to have been there, but after that,
No
No.
inquiry was conducted.
yes, lordship.
Okay.
Because
So-
at least, my lord, I pray that the dismissal order may be
No, no,
suspended,
no.
lordship. He can be placed under suspension, lordship.
No,
At least I want to appeal to the
no.
human side of
I
this.
think he has been dismissed. So I think let us go to the merit. I think you have a case, though factually,
Yes,
I
lordship.
am not very much in favor of a drug addict being in the police force.
That
But
understand.
still then,
Yes, at least. the
I think there are some procedural lapses.
Yes,
You may have a case. You argue that. Okay, next.
Obliged, lordship.
For motion, item number 11.
Yes, what is this?
Maybe, Lordship. Lordship, here the petitioner case in brief is that the official respondents have initiated a notification dated 28 August 2024, inviting eligible and approved contractors through e-procurement online for construction of girls' hostel at.
Okay, what is your prayer? Let us see.
Lordship, my prayer is in batch 11.
Page 11,
Yes,
question
Lordship.
set aside the impugned work order. The work order has been issued.
Yes,
Who is that work order?
work order is in page 216, annexure C.
Work
Lordship.
order, copy of the Copy of the work order, page 216,
Yes, Lordship.
216, 217. Two sixteen, work order for construction. This, who is this MSD? This is MV.
Yes, Lordship.
What is he? Respondent number?
Private respondent number 5.
And why are you aggrieved?
Lordship, I'm also one of the qualified bidder. And as per the section 1, clause 31.1, subject to clause 32 of the instruction to bidders, the eligibility criteria that tender value should be awarded to the lowest bidder. However, the discrepancy in
What
this
is your
value-
instruction to bidders?
Lordship,
Which page? Instruction to bidders?
It's in page 84 to
Page,
221.
page 84 to,
Lordship, page 218, 218, the award of
218.
contract,
okay. 218.
the last paragraph, Lordship.
Yes, with 218. What is this 218? What is this 218?
And it's 13, Lordship.
No, 218 is just a continuation of some,
Lordship, this is award of contract. For award of contract, the conditions for award of contract.
from what have you derived this? Page 218. From what have you derived? This is only a part of some documents.
Lordship, this is derived from tender notification,
What
page
is
number
that?
17.
117,
No, page 17.
17,
Yes,
page 17. Okay,
B1, and next should be 1.
page 17. Standard bid document.
Yes, Lordship.
The standard bid document is tendering. Where it says that normally L1 should be given the work order, where it says.
Page 22, Lordship.
Page 20.
Page 39, 39. Award of contract, the last part.
Page 39, and what is the first page of, what is the first page? What is the first page? Page 20, page 19. Okay, page 17, page 39. Page 39.
Award of contract, award criteria, Lordship.
Let us see.
Lordship, the last paragraph, 31, award criteria.
To subject to the employer, whose bid has been determined. Whose bid has been determined? Not the lowest bid.
Lordship, here there are 3 qualified
And that
bidders.
I know. I have understood your case. But
But the award of contract was given to the highest bidder, Lordship. Where is-
I want to see from the records where which says that the contract should be awarded normally to the L1. Where is that?
Lordship, in the last paragraph of page 39, award criteria.
Award criteria subject to the employer will award the contract to the bidder whose bid has been determined. So 3-4 bidders may be there.
Lordship, in subclause 1, it reads to be substantially responsive to the bidding documents and who has offered the lowest bid
Lowest
price,
bid
Lordship.
price. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. He'll be substantially responsive to the bidding documents. And who has offered, okay, what is, this is a part of this standard bid documents?
Yes, Lordship.
This is 31 is rules or what? Clause or what?
It's closed, Lordship.
Clause 31.
Yes, Lordship. 31 subclause 1.
31 subclause. 31, 1 subclause 1.
Yes,
Is it like that?
yes, Lordship.
31, 1 subclause 1.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that work order which you're impugning?
The work order is in page 216, annexure C, Lordship.
Page 216.
216.
Third, MS Spencer. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop by filing the present petition. Stop, comma. The petitioner is impugning the work order dated 18/9/2024. Issued by the executive engineer PWDH, Directorate of Technical Education, Nagaland, Kohima, awarding the work for construction of the girls' hostel, for construction of girls' hostel at Government Polytechnic, Sitikima Desi, Chomogidima. To the respondent number. To the respondent number.
5.
To the respondent number 5. It is the case of the petitioner that the work has been awarded to L3. No, it is submitted that the work order has been issued in favor of the respondent number 5, who is L3, overlooking the L1 and L2. Stop. The petitioner, it is submitted, is L2. It is submitted that the work order has been issued in violation of the norms and conditions contained in the standard bid document, within bracket, e-tendering, more particularly, clause 31, clause 1, subclause 1. 31(1), clause 1. Okay, 31.1, clause 1. Roman 1, okay, clause 1. Okay. The learned additional AG. shall place the necessary instructions on the next date fixed. Stop. The learned additional AG shall also place the instruction as to whether the work has commenced, and if so, to what extent / percentage the work has been completed. Listed on 2/4/2025.
Lordship, I have a prayer.
Yes, that's why we have listed on 2nd April. Let them come with instructions. No, no. Why 7? Again, learned additional AG shall also place the original files pertaining to the award of the contract to the respondent number 5. Yes, 2nd. You will make an immediate contact. Okay, next.
Much obliged.
For motion, item number 12. Yes,
Lordship, in this case, the petitioner was served with a show cause notice on the alleged count of misconduct.
what is the petitioner serving?
The petitioner is serving as a district program officer under the Nagaland State AIDS Control.
Yes, sir.
Nagaland, Lordship, the initial petitioner appointment order is at page 21.
21.
The initial appointment order was for a period up to 31st March 2019,
31st.
31 March 2019. And this appointment order was extended from time to time. The last extension order, it was issued on 30th March 2024. And this extension order is valid till 31/3/2025. So it will expire on Monday.
So where the show cause? Let us see the show cause.
Yes, Lordship, the fact is written like this. Lordship.
Let us see the show cause.
Yes, Lordship. The show cause is at page number 27.
Just wait.
Lordship, may I read?
Just wait. Which page?
That's at page 27.
Page?
27.
This is 2727.
Yes, Lordship. Dated 15 October 2024.
27 is this show cause. Twenty-seven is the show cause. Show cause. Can you read?
Yes, Lordship. Dated 15 October 2024. To so and so the subject show cause notice. Whereas your news article has been widely flashed in various media, where this office was informed through the media source. Such initiative is expected to be made with utmost caution and maturity following the proper procedure. And whereas This has shown the irresponsible and ignorance of guidelines in procedure by you as a responsible officer in the state implementing agency under NACB. NACB is National AIDS Control Program.
National AIDS
Control
Control
Program.
Program.
Now, therefore, you are directed to issue calls in person. That is also not a written in person on 16 October 2024 at 12 noon to this office as to why. This is very important. As to why disciplinary proceedings should not be initiated against you for the misconduct. The purpose of this was if you are not satisfied with my reply, you have to initiate the disciplinary proceedings. And Lordship, the allegation is for issuing a news article. Lordship, may kindly come to the news
Wait,
article.
Mr. Lima,
Yes, sir.
I am not getting anything out of this show cause.
Lordship is issuing for issuing a news article by me, by sharing a news article to the media person.
Where is that news?
Lordship, it's in page 24. Lordship, there's nothing in this case, Lordship. It's a post allegation of it.
Zinebuto grapples with high HIV and AIDS prevalence.
Lordship, these are lengthy, but the contents is this. Petitioner shared some data of the prevalence of the HIV positive patient in the Zenibodi district. He has not disclosed the identity of the individuals. And one thing, the petitioner he has mentioned that there is no medical officer to operate OST and ERT center in Zenibodi. Maybe because of that, the respondent doesn't like this comment.
So this news item is particularly to do with the prevalence of HIV and AIDS scenario in the district of Zinebuto.
He has not disclosed the identity of the individuals. Only the prevalence of the data. How many HIV positive persons are there within the Zenibodi district? That he has disclosed.
So what happened to this? What happened after
After
this?
the shoe cause, now they have issued me the MPO notice. That is at page 28. My service on contract basis, subject to extension of my contract service. Page 28. This order and this letter and challenge. Here they have referred to the show cause. Pursuant to the show cause notice, you should write this office.
This show cause is at page 27.
27. Yes, they are referring to the show cause.
And who is this project director?
He's not the appointing authority. He's not the appropriate authority.
Let's see your appointment.
My appointment order is issued by the principal, commissioner and secretary.
Let's see.
Page 21.
Page 21, appointment order.
Appointment was made by commissioner and secretary. It was issued by the project director. So it's not the appropriate authority to terminate my service. He's totally in violation of
the last date of extension is up to 31st
But
March.
Monday.
So if the commissioner secretary does not extend, what is the purpose of filing this?
No, Lordship, but if as per the MPO order later issued by the project director, it could not be extended. That is not will. It could not be. That means he made the final decision. Lordship, can you see the wording of the in the MPO notice?
No, suppose even this court assuming that suppose this court issues a stay order in your favor. What purpose will it serve if your service is not extended up after 31 by the commissioner secretary?
Lordship, as per the terms and conditions of my appointment order,
What is that term?
if my performance is not satisfactory, in that case, my service can be terminated.
Okay.
But as per the performance report issued by my controlling officer of the district,
Who is the controlling officer?
the controlling officer, the deputy commissioner in the same of the district.
Okay. So report has to be given by them
Deputy,
as to the performance of you.
Lordship,
Heard, Mr. Lima, Lieutenant Counsel for the petition. The stop. Petitioner is what is this? Petitioner is presently serving as a district program officer
District Program Officer, Chief.
within bracket DPO, comma, district aids control, district aids program and control unit within bracket DAPCU at Zineboto under the establishment of the Nagaland State AIDS Control Society. The petitioner in the present writ petition, the petitioner has impugned
Chief, I'm imputing as show cause also.
the show cause notice dated 15/10/2024 issued by the respondent number 3,
Respondent.
that is the project director, Nagaland State AIDS Control Society, to the petitioner asking him to show cause as to why disciplinary proceedings should not be initiated against the petitioner. And also the discontinuance notice issued by the respondent number 4
Three also.
or respondent number 3, stating therein that the further extension of the petitioner's service beyond 31/3/2025 shall not be considered. It is the case of the petitioner that the show cause notice was issued to the petitioner consequent to the interview which was given to the media by the petitioner on the prevalence of HIV/AIDS, etc. scenario.
Prevalence scenario.
Huh?
HIV, it's prevalence scenario in the district of Zineboto.
Prevailing in the district of
Yes.
Zineboto. The learned counsel for the petitioner has also taken this court to the order dated 30/3/2024. No, to the order dated 31/8/2018, which is the appointment order of the petitioner issued by the Commissioner and Secretary, Health and Welfare / Chairman, NSACS, Kohima. Correct. And also to the order dated 30/3/2024, issued by the respondent number 3, extending the service of the petitioner up to 31/3/2025. Correct.
Yes, sir.
It is submitted that the discontinuance notice dated 28/2/2025 has been issued to the petitioner without conducting any proper inquiry. Though the show cause notice dated 15/10/2024 contemplates disciplinary proceedings. Correct?
For misconduct.
It is also submitted that when the appointment of the petitioner as
Strict program officer.
district program officer has been issued by the Commissioner and Secretary Health and Family Welfare / Chairman NSACS. The respondent number 3 could not have. The respondent number 3 did not have the authority in law to issue the discontinuance. What is that discontinuance?
Discontinuation notice.
Yes, discontinuation notice. Where? Which page?
Page number 28.
The discontinuance notice. No,
Page
this
28.
discontinuance notice. Dated
28.
28/2/2024. Stop. 2025. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. N. Angami, the Learned Senior Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number
1, 2, and 4, madam.
1,
2 and 4.
2, and
4.
4. Okay. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall, however, serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned senior government advocate within
2 days or 3 days.
within a period of 3 days from today. Stop. Insofar as the respondent number 3 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered post with AD within a period of
Within 3 days.
3 days from today. In the interim, considering the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and taking into account that it is the Commissioner and Secretary Health and Family Welfare / Chairman NSACS Kohima, who has issued the appointment order dated
31/8/2018.
who has issued the appointment order dated 31/8/2018 to the petitioner, appointing the petitioner as District Program Officer within bracket DPO, the District Ads Program and Control Unit, DAPCU, and posted at Zinevoto under the establishment of Nagaland State Ads Control Society. The show cause notice dated 15/10/2024 and the discontinuance notice dated 28/2/2025 issued by the respondent number 3 shall remain suspended till the next returnable date. Okay.
Obliged, madam. For admission, item numbers 1 and 2.
May I please, Lordship, my
Yes.
lord, I'm mentioning on behalf of Ms. Momi.
Okay.
Your Lordship, may kindly grant 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
Mr. E. Tibapo. Mr. E. Tibapo makes a mention on behalf of, the learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. V. Jamomi, the learned government advocate, and six adjournment, and six, for 2 weeks' time, and six adjournment of the case for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Where is the law?
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 3.
Yes, this Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Your Lordship, the newly completed respondent number 9 is yet to file affidavit in opposition.
Who is respondent number 9 being represented?
It's for General Manager Harish.
No, have you served the notice?
Lordship, yes. On 16/02/2025, you have accepted notice on behalf of respondent number 9,
Who has accepted?
Harish Gupta, for General Manager.
Anybody appearing for number 9 so far?
No idea, my lord.
No. What about 6, 7, 9, 5, 6? All this 5, 6, 7, they have appeared.
Lordship,
5, 6, 7.
is for 1 to 8, you have already filed your affidavit in
1,
opposition.
2, 8, that is government.
Lordship.
That is government. What about 5, 5, 6, 7 railways?
5, 6, 7, and 8, we have already received the affidavit in opposition.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7. 8 is deputy commissioner.
It's 5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, 7.
My lord, 1 is Union of India.
Who is representing? 1. Have you taken steps
Lordship,
on 1? Where is you take fresh steps upon respondent number 1 and 9 and file affidavit to that effect. Let us be very clear. Okay. Okay.
Lordship, the General Harish Gupta, he will be representing for Union of India as well as for respondent number 9. We have already.
Who has
taken
told you
some-
that? Who
On,
has told you that?
on 18/02/2025, he has appeared and he said that he have already accepted notice on behalf
Who
of.
has
his-
appeared?
Harish
18
Gupta.
in person, he has appeared.
Lordship.
Which is that order? 18?
02/2025.
18/02/2025. Let us see. Mr. H. Gupta, Leonard Council. Oh, this is council. Who is this Mr. Gupta? He is always absent. When was when was 9 impleted? Whether you have filed, Mr.
Yes, my lord.
You have filed affidavit.
Yes, already.
So who is to file? Only 9,
Lordship,
only 9. MS Central. Learned Counsel appears for the petitioner. And Mr. E. Tiba. Learned Government Advocate appears for the respondent number
2, 3, 4, and 8.
2, 3, 4, and 8. The Learned Counsel for the respondent number, Learned Government Advocate for the respondent number 2, 3, 4, and 8. No. The respondent number 2, 3, 4, and 8. As well as the respondent number respondent number 5, 6, 7, correct? They file affidavit, correct? 5, 6, 7.
Lordship,
As well as the respondent number 5, 6, 7 has filed their respective affidavit. No, stop. No affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 9. The respondent number 9 is given a last chance to file affidavit in opposition, failing which this court shall consider imposing cost as well as passing necessary orders. Stop. None appears for the respondent number 9. Although the order dated 18/2/2025 shows that one Mr. H.P. Gupta, Learned Counsel, accepts notice on behalf of the said respondents. A copy of this order be furnished to the respondent number 9 in the course of the day. Registry to take steps accordingly. Okay.
Lordship.
Much older.
For admission, item number 4.
Yes, Mr. Sankam.
Yes, my lord, I
Yes.
have filed my affidavit.
They have filed.
Yes, ma'am. On behalf of state respondent number 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, wait. When did you file?
I go on 28 February 2025.
Correct. 1, 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Then who are the other respondents?
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 7.
7 filed. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. Who is yet to file?
I'm for respondent number 2.
You are for respondent number?
Yes, I actually get the file,
They're the last bus.
My lord, here, as a personal respondent, no, as a petition, no paragraph of the allegation against the case.
No allegation has been made against you. What is this case for?
Property. Was construction
Compensations.
Co-
Payment of damage compensation, ma'am.
Payment of the damage compensation for construction of the road,
Yes, ma'am. 2 lane.
2 lane.
Unit structure.
Have you not made any allegation against the Union of India? When Union of India is supposed to be the sanctioning authority?
Yes.
If we go by the submission made by Mr. Mule, just see para 2. Just see para 2. Why you are just blindly making submission? The project is under SCRDPE. Government of India initiated widening of 2 lane of Changchungia Long Lane Road. Why you said that no allegation, no, the evidence have been made against you? What kind of submission you make? When can you file your affidavit? Don't say that, don't say that you are a pro forma defendant. You are not pro forma defendant. You are one of the main defendants, your respondents. You have, I think, so many years of practice. I think now it is high time for you to read your file and come address the court. I don't know. There is so much of laxity shown by you. Mr. So-and-so. Let us see, just see. For the respondent number 2. Is further allowed 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Okay, list it. List it of the 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 5.
Your Lordship, I
Yes.
sought for certain clarification in this matter, so kindly grant me 3 weeks time to file the affidavit.
You have not filed an affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. MSAIME. The learned government advocate is further allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
For admission, item number 6.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Your Lordship, may kindly grant me 2 weeks time to file affidavit in this matter, Your Lordship.
MS Inauli, the learned government advocate is further allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
So, Lordship.
For admission, item number 7.
Lordship, similar to
Yes.
Your Lordship, 3 weeks time may be granted to file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Okay, similar period. Similar.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 8.
Your Lordship, on behalf of S. Chang, kindly grant 3 weeks to file affidavit.
Okay, ma'am.
Objection, Lordship.
Yes. MSAIME. The learned counsel makes a mention of on behalf of MSS Chang, the learned government advocate, and 6 for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer result listed according.
So, Lordship.
Yes.
For orders, item number 13.
From the supplement. Yes, you have not taken steps.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on 24/1/2025, the Honorable Court had directed the petitioner to take steps upon the respondent number 3
Yes.
by way of dusty service. Accordingly, I served the copies to the respondent number 3. However, the respondent refused to receive the copy.
Have you filed affidavit?
I'm here to Lordship.
MS. Which order, by which order you were asked to file, take steps? By which order?
24/01/2025.
24/1 and to take by dusty. Okay. MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in terms of the letter, in terms of the order dated 24/1/2025 passed by this court. She had taken steps for service of notice upon the respondent number
3.
upon the respondent number 3 by dusty process. However, the same was refused. However, the same was refused. However, the same was not accepted by the respondent number 3. The MS and the learned counsel for the petitioner shall file affidavit stating service of notice by dusty process upon the respondent number 3 and the refusal of the respondent number 3 to accept the notice. Okay, file an affidavit listed after 2 weeks. Okay,
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 14.
Your Lordship, I'm yet to receive the service copies from the petitioners, Your Lordship.
yes, madam, what
Yes,
happened?
Your Lord,
Why you are so
my
lazy?
humble apology, Your Lordship, will serve during the process of the day, Your Lordship.
Serve during the course of the day, okay?
Yes,
MSV Annie Theory, learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate in the course of the day, listed after 3 weeks for enabling the government advocate to file affidavit in opposition. Okay? Okay.
bless you.
Except like the Jokerly.